Here we'll learn the dermatomal maps of spinal nerve sensory innervation. First, draw an outline of one half of the anterior aspect of the head and body. Split the arm down the middle, but create a fork in the transection that encapsulates the middle finger. As we go, mark some key landmarks, which we'll list as a review at the end. Show that C7 covers the middle finger. Then show that C8 covers the little finger and the medial hand. Next, divide the upper extremity at the elbow. Show that C6 covers the thumb, lateral hand, and lateral forearm. Then show that C5 covers the upper lateral arm. Next, that T1 covers the medial forearm. Then show that T2 covers the medial upper arm. Now show that C2 covers the jaw. Show that C3 and C4 cover the neck. We'll detail the trigeminal nerve and C2 sensory coverage of the face separately. Next, show that T4 covers the nipple line. Show that T10 covers the navel, that T12 covers the suprapubic area, and that L1 covers the inguinal region. Show that S2 and S3 cover the genitalia. Note that intertextual variation exists regarding which of these roots predominates this innervation. Now show the sloping dermatomal coverage of the anterior lower extremity. Show that L2 begins its descent from the superolateral anterior lower extremity, followed by L3. Then show that L4 crosses the patella, that L5 covers the great toe, then that S1 covers the ankle and the little toe. Next, draw an outline of one half of the posterior aspect of the head and the body. First, show that the coccygeal nerve covers the anus, then show the dermatomal rings that surround it. The innermost is S5, then going outward is S4, then S3. Then show that S2 encircles S3 but also extends down the posteromedial lower limb. Next, show that S1 extends down the posterolateral lower limb and covers the Achilles. Now show that L5 covers the great toe along with the medial plantar foot, and that it also covers the lateral posterior thigh and lower back. Show that C2 covers the back of the head, C3 and C4 cover the posterior neck, and T2 to L5 cover the upper back to the buttocks. Now show the posterior upper extremity coverage in the exact same way as we showed the anterior coverage. Show that C7 covers the middle finger, then show that C8 covers the little finger and medial hand. Next, divide the upper extremity at the elbow. Show that C6 covers the thumb, lateral hand, and lateral forearm. Then show that C5 covers the upper lateral arm. Next, that T1 covers the medial forearm, and that T2 covers the medial upper arm. Lastly, let's quickly review the dermatomal coverage of some key landmarks from superior to inferior. C2 covers the jaw and back of the head. C3, C4 cover the neck. C6 the thumb. C7 the middle finger. C8 the little finger. T4 the nipple. T10 the navel. L4 the patella. L5 the great toe. S1 the little toe. S2 and S3 the genitalia. And the coccygeal nerve covers the anus. This concludes our diagram.